Today, we're going to bring in Type-C to RJ45 connection to Cat5 cable or Cat6, either way. Now, a lot of laptops that are coming out are just coming out with wireless, but wireless, you do not get the fastest connection. Wireless, it depends on your actual wireless device. 5.4 hertz, it will only give you a certain amount. You won't get that gigabit connection or anything higher than that. Sometimes it's a little difficult depending on the walls. Now, for example, this here, you connect the RJ45 connection and you connect your laptop directly, you'll get the maximum connection that you can get on your home network. Just to be aware, if you pay, for example, 400 megabits per second, then you're not going to get the maximum on wireless. But if you use this wired device from Type-C to Cat RJ45, you are going to get that maximum connection. So we're going to put it to a test and see what I'm talking about. And I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, we're going to take a look at actually a surface that we have. We're going to run some speed tests on one of our network, and then we're going to connect it with directly to a connection, all right, to see what I'm talking about. So I always go to speed test, and it pops up in Google when you do Google Chrome. I just do run a speed test. We're going to see how fast we're going to run. Pretty much we're running, close to 200. Right now I pay for 500 up, 500 down, so we're not getting the best connections in here, but we're going to connect to wireless, especially if you're not on 5.0. If you're on 2.4, you're going to run a little even slower than that. So right now, our range is from 133 to 66. So we're going to go ahead and connect the actual device. And just to let you guys know, you don't need any drivers for this. So you plug it in, go ahead and plug it in on one side. And if you guys notice, the Surface only has 2 adapters, and that's it. You don't get anything else. So plug it in. We're going to borrow an internet. And if you hear it, it's plugging in. And let's go ahead and get an internet connection cable. All right, now on the bottom, we see that we're connected to the wire. All right, so we're going to test again. And this is where we're running wire. This is what I'm talking about, that you don't get the full connection when you're on wireless. And right now we're getting 500, that's what I'm paying. 500 up, 500 down. Normally we get around 300 or 400, somewhere around there, but close to 500 sometimes, and 5 up, 5 down. This is pretty much the maximum I'm paying, and we're getting the full potential using the cable. That's how you do it. So if you ever want to get near a router or near you maybe run some cable because you're not getting the faster speed, this is a reason. This is something you could set up. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.